Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers. Good day, my viewers. I'm TeacherPatrick. So today I'll be taking you mathematics, and today's topic is direct variation. And this is a JAMB pass question, 2010, question 17. Sit down, relax, and watch. Question 17. If y varies directly as the square root of s and y is equal to 3 when s is equal to 16, calculate y when s is equal to 64. A 6, B 12, C 3, D 5. Solution. So it's a direct proportion or direct variation. So the first thing you do, it says y varies directly as the square root of s. So this is your y varies directly as the square root of s. Okay, now it says and y is 3 when s is 16. This y is 3, s is 16. So what does it mean? It means we are going to substitute this into this. So watch. So now y is 3. Best to see your y, you put what? 3. And best to see your s, you put what? 16. Okay, but now if you look at it very well, this is a proportionality sign. We don't need it, so we're going to convert. We change it to what? K, which is square root of 16. So what do we do? 3 is equal to k square root of 16. If you use your calculator, square root of 16 will give us what? 4. So we're having what? 4. Now let's find this value of k. Our k here become what? Divide both sides by 4, you have 3 over 4. That is your value of k. But that is not the answer. We'll move further again. It says, calculate y when s is 64. Now we know k to be 3 over 4. Now let's find what? Y when s is what? 64. Now, since we know this value of this k here, so it means that if we put this k inside here, we're going to have y is equal to your k square root of s, right? Okay, so y is equal to, what's our k? 3 over 4, which is square root of s. Now the question says we should find y when s is 64. This is a second part of this direct variation. So mean k is already 3 over 4. So we are looking for y, question mark, when s is 64. Okay, so what do we do next? So let's use this place. So we're finding this our y. So y is already 3 over 4 square root of s, right? Okay, so put your y here. So 3 over 4 square root of s. So what is the square root of s? 64. Put your 64 there. So y is equal to 3 over 4. Now, what is the square root of 64? That is 8. Okay, so we are smart enough. 3 times 8 will have 24. 24 divided by 4. If you use your calculator, you're going to have 6. Now you go back to your option. Where can you see 6 in the option? A. So our answer becomes option A. And that is our final answer. And this is how you solve question involving direct variation. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment. I still remain your humble teacher, Patrick. Bye bye.